my dear friends. Welcome to Fortron Academy. My name is Harshvats, and this is the Beginner's Guide Part 3, in which we will explore the view section in our Google Drawing. With this point, we will move forward and talk about the point to be discussed in this video. In this video, I am going to tell you how to use zoom feature, how to show ruler, how to use guides, how to use snap to feature, and how to make a full screen in your Google Drawings. All these points will be discussed in today's video. So we will move on to Google Drawing and see how every feature works. Now we are in Google Drawings. In earlier video, we have discussed about file section and edit section. Now we will talk about the view section. As I've told you in my objective, all these points will be discussed in today's video. Let me first go with the zoom feature. What is zoom? Actually, currently it is fit with 66% of zoom. Now if I made it 50%, now you will see it actually zoomed out. Now if I want it more, to show like I want to go with 100%, you will be able to see something like this. In spite of that, if you want to go with 200%, you can go like this. And if you want to zoom in and zoom out, you can click on this and you will zoom in, zoom out according to your own desire. Like zoom out. Now I want it fit with 66%. So this is how the zoom feature works. So you can magnify the thing and you can demagnify the thing as per your requirement. So we have another option, that is show ruler. So you can see there are two rulers that you can see horizontally as well as vertically, which actually binds us and calculates the particular figures in the inches that we have particular this scale. You can see the calculation we can actually manage. But if you do not want them, you just click on that, then the scale will be removed. You can see the ruler is actually works like this only. After that, we have another option, that is guides. So you can see the show guides. Now you can see the what is the center. Now I want it 1 inch from here. I want another guide. Add horizontal. No, I want vertical guide. Now another guide. I want it for the 8 inches. Now I will just select everything and I will get it within 8 inches. Expand it from here. Now you can see how this particular thing works. Now I want a horizontal guide also, like it should be 5, and from here I want it from here as well, from the above. I want guide, add vertical guide. No, I want, just click on here and delete this guide, delete guide. So I want one more guide. Then for that I will click on guide, add horizontal guide. Now you will just, this is 1.41. I want it till 1. So this will be 5 inches. Now let me get this. This is 5 inches. Again, we just control A and we can expand this here and expand it here. Now you will be see everything is within the guides, and if you want a guide for particular how much the size of the rectangle should be, you can also guide use the guide for. Even if you want to make changes, you can just click on the guide and right click on it. You will see all this change color. You can delete the guide, edit guides. All these options will be available to you when just you right click on the guide. You can see, if I click right on the guide, you can see how the different is when you simply click right on any screen that is not involved the guide. It will show you something like this. If you click on the guide, after that click on the right, click on the mouse, then you will be see add vertical guide, horizontal guide, change color. You can use this option for your requirement. After that, we have a snap to feature. You can use the snap to as a grid, or you can use the snap to as a guides. So it completely depend on which kind of snap to you want to use. And in the end, we have a full screen option. Like if you do not need all these things, the things that are visible to you, files This means toolbar. You can click on a full screen and you will be able to see something like this. Now, if you want the features again to show controls, you just have to click on escape and you will be able to see the controls that is earlier visible through full screen mode. If you click on it, you won't be able to see any features. That means control that is available to us in a toolbar. You can dismiss this and after that click on escape. Now you will be able to see these features. And these are the features that are available in the view section in our Google Drawing. So with this point, I am going to end this video and I hope your queries have been cleared. And if not, kindly write us in the comment section and we will surely get back to you. And if this video helped you in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have a good and amazing day.